Are you planning on going on a beach trip soon? And are you worried about your dark bikini line showing up? If yes, then do not worry, we've got your back. We have some highly efficient remedies to lighten your inner thighs so that you can enjoy that trip of yours with boosted self-confidence and zero damns to give. Sometimes we can get a little insecure about flawless skin, and that's okay. We'll spend loads of time, money on products, and energy to get that immaculate look, but it doesn't really work for all parts of your body, does it? Some parts of your body are often darker than the rest, regardless of your skin tone. This can be referred to as a common condition called hyperpigmentation. This results in some areas of your skin appearing darker in patches or spots and is quite normal. But how does hyperpigmentation develop? Let's answer your question. The most common reason for having hyperpigmented inner thighs is chafing. Chafing is pretty common. It can happen due to increased friction between your thighs while doing simple activities like walking or running. Those who are overweight are more prone to it because of higher skin-to-skin friction. Chafing can also happen due to an irritating fabric that keeps rubbing on your skin. Wearing thin leggings, skirts, or shorts that do not provide enough room for the skin to breathe are contributors too. This way, you are prone to develop a mild rash or a skin burn. So the next time you go on a shopping spree, keep that in mind and buy clothes that love your skin and don't irritate you often. There are some other factors like dry skin, too much sun exposure, certain medications, including oral hormonal contraceptives and chemotherapy pills, and diabetes. Wait! There is one more to this list: hormonal imbalance. Hormonal changes caused by menstruation cycles, pregnancy, and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, can also lead to hyperpigmentation in the inner thigh region. Studies suggest that hyperpigmentation occurs due to vitamin deficiencies, such as B12 and folic acid. And since vitamin B12 and folic acid are usually low in women due to blood loss during menstruation, they are prone to hyperpigmentation. But the question now arises: how to fight this troublesome hyperpigmentation? Hey viewers, I'm Dr. Sophia Fahl and welcome to the Lovers of Good Health channel. Before we begin, kindly use some time to subscribe to this lovely channel and leave us a like on this video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's get into our 6 natural home remedies that can lighten your dark inner thighs. Coconut oil and lemon juice can be a quick fix. What makes lemon juice so important in fighting hyperpigmentation? Well, lemons are rich sources of vitamin C, or commonly known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is known for its efficiency in photoprotection, skin strengthening, and most importantly, the removal of hyperpigmented spots. But how does vitamin C aid in removing dark spots on the skin? Our body is known to have a substance called melanin inside us. This melanin is responsible for skin pigmentation. Vitamin C inhibits melanin formation and thereby helps in depigmentation. And why coconut oil? Because coconut oil contains 90% of saturated fats and 9% of unsaturated fats, it is a natural moisturizer. This will keep your thighs soft and chafe-proof. And always remember that pure is better when it comes to coconut oil. So opt for one naturally obtained, as it would be more effective than its counterparts. Take a few tablespoons of coconut oil, mix it well with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and rub the mixture onto the affected area like a scrub for 10 to 12 minutes. Wash and pat it dry. Keep in mind that you should refrain from using this remedy on the area with exposed cuts. Lemon juice causes a burning sensation when exposed to cuts. The next remedy on our list is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a reputed medicinal plant with tremendous potential to treat skin issues. Be it dryness, itchy skin, or even acne, aloe vera is the ultimate solution for all. Studies have shown that aloe vera can be used to retain skin moisture and also prevent ulcers. Additionally, aloe vera contains allicin, which is a compound that promises its effectiveness as a skin lightener. And guess what? It is the easiest of all remedies. Just take some aloe vera gel and apply it to the affected area, just like body lotion. Allow the skin to soak all of it, and do not rinse after applying. It serves as a natural moisturizer and prevents chafing. If you're looking to make aloe vera gel at home, buy an aloe vera leaf. Wash, then peel the leaf. Once peeled, it will reveal the natural aloe vera gel. Use a small spoon to scoop the gel into a bowl. As you're scooping, be careful not to get any skin of the leaf into the bowl. Then transfer to a blender and blend until frothy and liquefied. Have you ever heard of a potato and honey mixture? Potatoes are very versatile and can create a variety of dishes. But our beloved potato is more than just a versatile veggie, it is a skin lightener too. Studies show that potatoes are excellent skin lighteners. They are brimming with nutrients like vitamin C and B complex, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which work well for the skin. They can cure acne, blemishes, and dark spots. Not only do they lighten your inner thighs quite effectively, but they are also efficient when treating dark elbows and armpits. And that pulp obtained from crushing raw potatoes, when mixed with honey, can also work well for face packs. And this doesn't end here. Even the potato-soaked water is excellent when it comes to softening and cleaning the skin. Did you know that our other maestro, honey, is no less? Used as a traditional medicine dating back to 2000 BC, honey is known for its healing properties. Ancient Greeks and Egyptians used it for treating skin damage. Studies show that honey can modulate the skin's immune system and promote tissue repair because of its antimicrobial properties. Doesn't that make potato and honey the most compatible pair to deal with your issue? Absolutely yes. So crush some raw potatoes in a blender till it becomes a fine paste. Add a few tablespoons of honey to it and apply the paste to your inner thighs. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse it off, and pat dry. Or maybe try a baking soda paste solution. You can make a baking soda paste by mixing it with water so that it is not diluted and can be applied easily. Apply a thin layer of this paste to your inner thighs with a brush and leave it off for 15 minutes. Then rinse. Baking soda exhibits moderate exfoliation capabilities when used on dry and scaly skin. Its alkaline nature increases your skin's pH level, which then aids in removing rough and scaly skin. Since baking soda will get rid of the damaged skin, and there is no immediate moisture supply available, it is always advisable to apply moisturizer after this remedy. This would help in revitalizing your skin so that it regains its charm. Also, people with sensitive skin should be cautious while using this remedy, as it can be too harsh for their skin. An oatmeal and yogurt combo can do wonders. Now you may ask, why are we so determined to put every other breakfast option on our pigmented skin? In our defense, we can only say that their wide-ranging qualities leave us with no alternative but to include them in our skin regime. Let's talk about oatmeal first. According to the Food and Drug Administration, oatmeal was classified as one of the skin protectants. And today, you will notice bath soaps, shampoos, shaving creams, and even moisturizing creams, all containing oatmeal. They are also used to reduce the appearance of dark inner thighs. And what about yogurt? Well, studies have suggested that yogurt is an essential probiotic that promotes skin health. So to try out this solution for lightening inner thighs, take equal parts of yogurt and colloidal oatmeal, combine them and apply them to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse it off. How about trying a sugar scrub next? Take some granulated sugar, add a tablespoon of coconut oil or honey, whichever suits you, and then gently exfoliate your skin in the affected area, just like when you use a scrub. Do it for a minute or two and wash it off. The buildup of dead skin cells sometimes causes our skin to grow darker. And it becomes crucial to remove those dead skin cells so that the new ones can bloom and take over. And granulated sugar is a readily available household material that can act as a good exfoliator and simultaneously solve your problem from the comfort of your home. So now you have some answers. But remember, skin pigmentation is absolutely normal. There is nothing to be embarrassed about. We all are beautiful and flawless creatures. And having unscarred and uniform skin is a myth. There will always be some minor blemishes to worry about. But do not let it hamper your mental peace. Be confident. 'Cause you're beautiful. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Try one of these remedies and let us know which one worked for you in the comments below. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this one. Bye for now.